So this is the experiment number 19. In this we will see the applet. Develop a minimum 2 basic applets. Display the output with applet viewer and browser. So first one, develop a program on basic applet and develop a program using control loops in applet. Practical significance, Java applets help to make the web page more dynamic. Java is also used to create small dynamic programs that run along with or are embedded within a web page. These programs, that means applets, can be used to display maps, weather, games, or other interactive widgets or tools on the web page. So, write a program to build the applet code and develop the program using different states of the applet and execute using applet viewer. So, minimum theoretical background for this practical is applets are small Java programs that can be used in internet computing. Applets can be transported over the internet from one computer to another and run using the applet viewer or any web browser that supports the Java. Through applets, arithmetic operations, display graphics, play sound, and accept user input, animations, and play interactive games can also be performed. And java.awt.component class. In this, we are having the method that is public void paint graphics G as a parameter. So it is used to paint the applet. It contains graphics class object which is used for drawing oval, rectangle, arc, etc. So simple program, that is import java.awt, import java.applet. Public class name extends applet. Public void paint and graphics g.drawString hello Java and 10, 100. So output output program is what? This is the what output. So for this applet programming, you have to import both the packages. One is applet and other is AWT packages. So this graphics class is present in AWT package. That's why you have to import this package also. And this capital A applet is a class, predefined class present in this applet package. A small app A is applet for A is package it is. And next applet tag. This applet tag contains hello java.java and width and height of the applet you have to mention this. And then next one is what? Adding the applet to HTML file. HTML page includes the welcome title in the title bar and also displays welcome message. And then it specifies the applet to be loaded and executed. So here separate HTML code you have to write. In this HTML code you have to attach this applet code. So this is a one way. Other way is what? You have to directly add a applet tag in the applet only. So note that save this file hellojava.html and save it in the same directory as in the compiled applet is there. So creating an executable applet. Executable applet is obtained by compiling the source code of the applet, the .class file of the applet. Compiling an applet is same as compilation on an application. It is similar to compilation of normal application. Java compiler is used to compile the applet. And Hello Java applet is stored in the file called hellojava.java file. So you have to compile it. And once your compilation is over, if no errors are there, it will create the .class file. So after the .class file is created, you have to run the applet. To run the applet, you have to use the applet viewer. So applet viewer hello.java either you can use or applet applet viewer hello java.html file you can use it. So two ways to run the applet: by Java enable web browser tool or Java applet viewer tool. So Java C hello java.java, applet viewer hello java.java. This is the way to how to run the applet. So by applet viewer hello java.html with the extension HTML you are running the program. So this is the output of the program. We will see the programs. These are the questions. So difference between init and start methods in the Java. Init method is the first method that is to be called. Init method is called by the browser when the applet begins execution. So this method is called only once during the runtime of the applet. A start method is executed after the init method and completes its execution. And what is the difference between init and stop method? Init method is used to initialize the applet. It invokes only once, and stop method stop the applet. It is invoked when the applet is stopped or browser is minimized. The stop method is called. Next, third question. The method paint belongs to which class? The paint belongs to AWT package, that is the graphics class object. The method paint gives the access to the object of the graphics class. Using this object of the graphics class, we can call the drawstring method of the graphics class to write the text inside the applet window. Paint method is present in this graphics class. And then which are the questions? To print welcome to the world of applet, implement all the methods, and using the control libs you have to develop the program. So we are written the program welcome to the applet window. This is experiment number 19A. I will show you how to run the program. What is the program? Experiment number 19A, open. So open this exp19a Java files you should open. See, this is creating the user defined applet. Extends applet, paint method. Whatever you want to write inside the applet, you should use this drawstring method. Here, no system.out.println method is there. For normal application programs, you are using system.out.println. But in applet, suppose you want to write something, you have to use this drawstring method. And these are the coordinates of width and rows and height of the this one. So I will run this program 19 no. So 19. So CLS Java C exp 19c dot Java applet viewer exp 19c with extension Java you have to use. 19c is this one, 19a it is, sorry, 19a, control C, 19a, compile this. I already it is compiled one, so I'm minimizing. I will show this one. See, this is the what 19a class. The 19a class applet window is there. For this width of the applet is 400, width is 400, and height is 400. And this welcome to the world of applet 150, 150, and this leaves the 150 rows and 150 columns, and it will start writing this welcome to the word applet. Applet code you are writing in the applet only using this command line. Is it clear? And next, and this is what you can write the separate HTML code for this. This is the one way to write the applet, and one more way is there. Open first dot Java file. Here only applet code is written, and next welcome it is written, and you have to write the separate HTML code. separate HTML code for that first.html. It is not case sensitive. HTML you can save it as a.html also. So HTML inside the body, it is compulsory to add the applet code. It is a beginning applet code, the which applet you want to add it, that class name, width and the height of the applet. So you have to run like this program. So Control C, I'll break this. So Java C, what is this? First dot Java viewer applet viewer post dot html. You have to run this HTML file. Both the class file, Java file and HTML file should be in the same folder. Is it clear? So this is what the applet width and the height, and this welcome is writing. So 300 width and height of the applet, and here writing this one. Is it clear? Like this, two ways are there to write the applet. Next, one more it is. So 10C, using this for loop use करके आपको program लिखने का. So I will open this file, open 19C, yeah. So here I will run the program, Control C, 19C. I will right click on it. It's already compiled. See, minimizing this, show the output. 19, say public void paint. You are using the for loop. For I equal to 0 and I is less than or equal to 4, I plus plus. For I modulus 2, that means 0 modulus 2 is 0, then it will draw the simple oval. These are the what? Coordinates, so x, y coordinates and width and height of that imaginary rectangle it will draw. Else it will fill the rectangle. Then when it is remainder is not 0, then it will fill with this black color. So this is what this third experiment number, third in 19th experiment, third program in the 19th experiment. Is it clear? The concept is clear. So I modulus 2 equal to 0, then it will only draw the rectangle. When it is not, it is equal to 0, not equal to 0, it will draw the circles filled with the colors. So that will complete